I'm Peyton Miller, and I have discovered a very interesting fact. Cheetos. 40% reduced fat. What has the world come to? But I thought it could be worse. You look at this chip itself, there's not a lot of powder. It tastes but what about the regular Cheetos? The color is very light, not a lot. The taste isn't very good either.
I like it.
Reduced fat. What has the world come to? And seen.